$7.99. That means $8.
So I can't buy them anymore?
You winning on sale. Look who I got outside to come for a little Target run. You getting something?
Yes, I am.
What are you getting? What kind of snack?
Chips.
What kind of chip? You don't even know what nothing is at. That mean, you know he don't come out. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You was about to go down the escalator when we first came in.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you was. I do know that. And they're 2 for $6, so get another one.
I can get another one?
Mm-hmm.
Can I get 3?
Take time. You thought it was your phone?
Get 4?
Get another one.
Oh. Alright.
I mean, I know Zion. I know this is his favorite.
Candy?
Where? Where is I? No, it's not. But you say you know where you're going. Why you look confused? Zion is an old man, I swear. Look. Oh, what? Just say I give up. I don't know where it's at.
I give up.
Come, I know. Follow me. Oh, what's that? Okay, sorry. Come with me downstairs. That's the one you have.
I know, but the controller, the controller is messed up. It can't be.
Whose fault is that?
It's not my fault.
Yeah, you got it for your birthday in September, and
no, it's Stricter. I told you, Stricter follows the controller wherever. You
all right.
go.
Well, so what? You only can use one now?
I can only use one, but if I get another one, if I get another one and turn that one off, it won't follow it anymore.
I don't know. So how you be on there?
Hi, beyond. Easy.
With one controller?
Yes, I need 2. It's not the same as 2. What is this?
These kids and these controllers and these game systems.
How much is it? 70, 17.
It is $4.99. Exactly what I paid. $500 and change to be exact. I don't know. I have to ask around to see if you could buy the controller by itself. What you need, a left hand or a right hand? A left. That's your left hand. Where's your right hand?
Wait, let me see.
Where's your right hand? Oh. So So do you have to just sit right here on the ground? Zion.
Hold on.
You know, for somebody who didn't even want to come out of the house, wanted me to do the store run for him so that he could get these chips. Now he's chilling and relaxing in here because he sees something that caught his eye that he likes. Tell him to come outside, y'all. Zion, you know you can't get in the bed with those sweatpants, right? You know they have to go right in the dirty clothes, right? Okay. So can we come on?
Okay, that you mean no SOS. I can't even.
You can't even what?
It says SOS.
Why is your phone on SOS?
It does that. My dad says it normally does that. I can't fix that. Normally they tell me to do
Oh, so you can't search nothing? You can't search anything?
No, I have to reset it.
Oh, well, let's go.
Wait, this one's a small. Wait, what is the next piece?
This is the headpiece up there. Come on, Zion, let's go. Come on. Say bye-bye. The boy comes outside, and now he's seeing other little stores he want to go into. Oh, we could go right there. McDonald's right in the corner. Let's just go right there. For somebody who don't want to come out the house.